Welcome to Module 1, Lesson 5, the Google Ads Sweet Spot. How do you know if Google Ads is right for you? Because I can promise you it's not a viable channel for everyone. Sometimes it can be like trying to smash a round peg in a square hole. It just doesn't work. In my experience over the years managing $10 million plus in Google Ads, I've found that clients who meet the Google Ads sweet spot have the most success with Google Ads. So if you're wondering, what is the Google Ads sweet spot? It's 3 core things. Number 1 is a proven concept. There needs to be existing brand awareness or a time-tested proven concept. Meaning if you've created an innovative product in a new category that no one understands, you're likely not gonna get a great return on your effort invested in Google Ads. For example, imagine you tried to build a generative AI product before ChatGPT exploded and made that category popular. Sure, you would have some success from before with early adopters, but it would be nowhere near as impactful and great as if it is now that people know what generative AI is, and more importantly, people are actually searching for these solutions. Which leads to the second criteria, existing demand. People actively searching. People need to know your solution exists. If not, they won't search for it. You need enough search volume every month of people searching for your solution or the problem it solves in order to scale your Google Ads and achieve a meaningful result. If there aren't enough people searching for your solution or the problem it solves, then you might not be able to achieve your volume goals and will have to expand into new advertising channels to scale outside of search. You can validate your search volume estimates by using the Google Ads Keyword Planner. Let me show you an example. If I come here into the Google Ads Keyword Planner and I search for Google Ads courses, let's see what we get. And if you're not familiar, you can find this under Tools and Settings, under the Planning tab, and then you can drop down here to Keyword Planner and find it. So I search here Google Ads courses. I'm gonna look here in the United States. And if we scroll down here, average monthly searches, I can see we have 1,300 monthly searches a month. This is just an average and an estimate, so take it with a grain of salt, but this is a great way to validate if there's actually people searching for the thing that you're thinking about advertising. The third and final criteria is enough margin. You need a high enough lifetime value to offset acquisition costs. If you've ever heard the expression, there needs to be enough meat on the bone, well, when it comes to Google Ads, there needs to be enough revenue after expenses. The idea here is the value of each customer you generate from your Google Ad campaigns has to be greater than what you spent to acquire them. This is known as lifetime value. If you're only generating $100 per user over the lifetime and it costs you $10 per click, the likelihood of profits is really slim. It's okay to be at a loss to acquire a customer or break even initially, as long as you know 3 to 6 months down the line, you're gonna recoup that investment. If you're dealing with a small budget, for example, less than $10,000 a month, and you have multiple product offerings, I recommend focusing on the one with the greatest lifetime value and volume. For example, let's say I was Salesforce. And you can see if we go to the product section, Salesforce has a ton of products. Now, Salesforce also is a billion-dollar company and they can afford to invest and promote each product, but assume you only had $1,000 a month, right? You are better off being a sniper and focusing on the products that have the highest lifetime value, the greatest win rates, the ones that have the greatest traction already, where the spread on your expenses and your revenue is the greatest, right? Where you generate the best net return. So instead of focusing on all these products, assuming if I only had a small budget, maybe I would only promote the marketing product for Salesforce as an example. Remember, Google Ads is an auction place, and over time, prices will rise regardless of having great quality scores. Your action item for this lesson is to see if your organization or client falls under the Google Ads sweet spot. Do you have a proven concept, existing demand, and enough margin? If you enjoy this course and found value in it, please share with your friends or colleagues or leave us a testimonial. We appreciate any help spreading the word so we can change the lives of as many marketers as possible. I'll see you in the next one.